Number 18 question in Criminal Law 2024 bar exam. Levi engaged the escort services of Leo for 50,000 pesos. Levi and Leo then check in at the hotel and had sex. Afterwards, Levi paid Leo 10,000 pesos. Leo left short change when he received an amount smaller than what was promised at that instance. Leo grabbed a knife from the kitchen and repeatedly stabbed Levi. Thereafter, Leo rummaged through the belongings of Levi and took his wallet, cell phone, and watch. Leo was charged and convicted of the special complex crime of robbery with homicide. The trial court explained that the killing was by reason of or on occasion of robbery. Is the judgment of conviction correct as to the crime committed? Explain. Answer: no. The judgment of conviction was wrong on the crime committed. Leo left shortchanged, thus there is sufficient provocation that is defined as any unjust or improper conduct or act of the victim adequate enough to excite a person to commit a wrong, which is accordingly proportionate in gravity. People versus Racal, JAR number 224886, September 4, 2017. In People versus Judy Sanchez A. Baqueras, JAR number 120,655, October 14, 1998, it states, but from the record of this case, we find that the prosecution palpably failed to substantiate its allegation of the presence of criminal design to commit robbery. Independent of the intent to commit homicide, there is no evidence showing that the death of the victim occurred by reason or on the occasion of the robbery. The prosecution was silent on accused appellant's primary criminal intent. Did he intend to kill the victim in order to steal the cash of and the necklace? Or did he intend to kill the victim, the taking of the latter's personal property being merely an afterthought? Where the homicide is not conclusively shown to have been committed for the purpose of robbing the victim, or where the robbery was not proven at all, there can be no conviction for robo con homicidio, robbery with murder. Further, in People versus Manalang 170 SCRA 149163, February 9, 1989, to wit, we already had several occasions to bold that the original design was not to commit robbery, but the idea of taking the personal property of another with intent to gain came to the mind of the offender after the homicide only as an afterthought or as minor incident. The homicide, the criminal act, should be viewed as constituting two distinct offenses and not a single complex crime. The crimes would be either homicide or murder, as the case may be, and theft. People versus Atanasio et al. Number L11844, November 29, 1960. 110 Philippine Reports 1032. People versus Elizaga 86 Phil 364 1950. People versus Bloor 87 Philippine Reports 739 1960. Article 249, homicide. Under revised penal code, any person who not falling within the provisions of Article 246, shall kill another without the attendance of any of the circumstances enumerated in the next preceding article, shall be deemed guilty of homicide and shall be punished by reclusion temporal. Article 308 Revised Penal Code. Theft. Who are liable for theft? Theft is committed by any person who, with intent to gain, but without violence against or intimidation of persons, nor force upon things, shall take personal property of another without the latter's consent. Theft is likewise committed by one, any person who, having found lost property, shall fail to deliver the same to the local authorities or to its owner. To any person who, after having maliciously damaged the property of another, shall remove or make use of the fruits or objects of the damage caused by him. And 3. Any person who shall enter an enclosed state or upheld where trespass is forbidden or which belongs to another and without the consent of its owner, shall hunt or fish upon the same or shall gather fruits, cereals, or other forest or farm products. Article 309 Penalties of the same code. Any person guilty of theft shall be punished by. So this is under Section 81 of RA 109/51. 1. The penalty of prison mayor in its minimum and medium periods if the value of the thing stolen is more than 1,200,000 pesos but does not exceed 2,200,000 pesos. But if the value of the thing stolen exceeds the latter amount, the penalty shall be the maximum period of 1 prescribed in this paragraph, and 1 year for each additional 1,000,000 pesos. But the total of the penalty which may be imposed shall not exceed 20 years. In such cases, and in connection with the accessory penalties which may be imposed, and for the purpose of the other provisions of this code, the penalty shall be termed prison mayor or reclusion temporal as the case may be. 2. The penalty of prison correctional in its medium and maximum periods if the value of the thing stolen is more than 600,000 pesos but not exceed 1,200,000 pesos. 3. The penalty of prison correctional in its minimum and medium periods if the value of the property stolen is more than 200,000 pesos but does not exceed 600,000 pesos. 4. Arresto mayor in its medium period to prison correctional in its minimum period if the value of the property stolen is over 5,000 pesos but does not exceed 20,000 pesos. 5. Arresto mayor to its full extent if such value is over 500 pesos but does not exceed 5,000 pesos. 6. Arresto mayor in its minimum and medium periods if such value does not exceed 500,000 pesos. 7. Arresto minor or a fine not exceeding 20,000 pesos if the theft is committed under the circumstances enumerated in paragraph 3 of the next preceding article, and the value of the thing stolen does not exceed 500 pesos. If such value exceeds said amount, the provision of any of the 5 preceding subdivisions shall be made applicable. 8. Arresto minor in its minimum period or a fine not exceeding 5,000 pesos when the value of the thing stolen is not over 500 pesos, and the offender shall have acted under the impulse of hunger, poverty, and the difficulty of earning a livelihood for the support of himself or his family. Thus, the criminal liability is homicide and of theft. So that's it. That's our answer for number 18 question in criminal law in the past bar exam 2024. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Good day and God bless.